In today's video, I'll teach you how to see your Facebook password even if you forgot it. So if you have forgotten your Facebook password and if you want to see it, it is actually very simple. For that, what you can do is simply use the Google Password Manager. In order to do that, launch open Google Chrome on your device. You can see over here Google Chrome has been opened. Keep in mind this method will only work if you have saved your password in Google Password Manager. So what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option settings that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings. Scroll down, find this section for passwords and autofill. Now tap on this option Google Password Manager that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see all of the passwords over here. So what you have to do is simply find the option for Facebook. If you do not find it over here, you can also search for it. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in Facebook. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this option for facebook.com and tap on it. Now enter your screen lock in order to proceed. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see your password. What you have to do is tap on the eye icon in order to see your password. So like this, you'll be able to see your Facebook password even if you forgot it. So that is how you see your Facebook password even if you forgot it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.